In this tutorial, we'll be unboxing your new forming gas kit from TEXA USA, showing what's included to make sure nothing's missed when using the kit for the first time. You can start by removing the box top and making sure you have space to place it somewhere. Next, cut the zip ties on the backside of the unit. Be sure to remove the instruction manual once zip ties are cut. Now, when removing the forming gas cart off the wooden pallet, easily roll it back and softly place it flat on the floor below. The next steps will be to cut the remaining zip ties as seen on screen. Once done cutting all zip ties, you'll need to grab a 3mm T-handle hex key for the next step. Once you do, unscrew the 2 screws towards the top of the unit behind the black plate. Now you should then be able to easily remove the black plate as seen here. Moving on, open the brown box containing the forming gas kit case. Within the case, you will find documentation, a manual, as well as a red hose, a pressure gauge, and adapter attachments. For the next step, we'll be opening the smaller white box containing a small case. Now, within the case, we'll see our H2 Detect leak detector, an instruction manual, additional documentation, as well as a set of batteries. And with that, we've gone over the entire process of unboxing your forming gas kit from TEXA USA. Be sure to stay in the loop and subscribe for future unboxings and, of course, the latest from TEXA USA.